Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Luxury channel. Opening shot of a quiet European countryside road. A small, charming car slowly drives into frame as soft vintage music plays. The Citroën 2CV is not just a car, it is a symbol of simplicity, creativity, and post-war Europe. By 1960, the 2CV had already become one of the most recognizable vehicles in the world, loved for its humble nature and clever engineering. The story of the Citroën 2CV begins long before 1960. In the late 1930s, Citroën engineers were given a unique mission: design a car that could carry 4 people and a basket of eggs across rough farm roads without breaking a single egg. It had to be affordable, easy to maintain, and fuel-efficient for rural France. World War II delayed its launch, but in 1948 the 2CV finally debuted at the Paris Motor Show. By the time the 1960 model arrived, the 2CV had already proven itself as a people's car, serving farmers, students, families, and city drivers alike across Europe. Exterior. Looking at the exterior of the 1960 Citroën 2CV, its design is instantly recognizable. The rounded body, narrow track, and high roof give it a friendly and almost cartoon-like appearance. The front features simple circular headlights and a minimalist grille, emphasizing function over style. The fenders are separate from the body, a classic French design touch that adds to its charm. One of the most iconic elements is the fully roll-back fabric roof, which stretches almost to the rear of the car, allowing oversized cargo to be carried with ease. The thin doors, exposed hinges, and lightweight panels all reflect Citroën's focus on practicality and cost efficiency rather than luxury. Interior. Step inside the 1962 CV, and the simplicity continues. The interior is extremely minimal, yet surprisingly clever. The seats are more like hammocks than traditional car seats, designed for comfort over long distances despite their simple construction. The dashboard is bare bones, featuring a single speedometer and basic controls. There is no excess decoration, no unnecessary trim, and very little sound insulation. Everything inside the cabin serves a purpose. Large windows provide excellent visibility, making the car easy to drive in tight city streets or narrow country lanes. The flat floor and tall roof create a feeling of openness, even in such a small vehicle. Performance. Under the hood, the 1960 Citroën 2CV is powered by an air-cooled, flat twin engine. Most 1960 models came with a 425cc engine producing around 12 horsepower. While that number sounds tiny by modern standards, the car's lightweight construction allowed it to perform adequately for its time. The top speed was approximately 65 km per hour, or about 40 miles per hour. Acceleration was slow, but steady and reliable. What truly set the 2CV apart was its suspension system. The long travel suspension allowed the car to glide over rough roads, potholes, and farm tracks with remarkable comfort. Fuel economy was excellent, making it an ideal choice during times when affordability mattered most. Driving the 1962 CV is an experience unlike any other. The engine produces a distinctive sound, the gearshift comes straight out of the dashboard, and the soft suspension creates a gentle rocking motion. It was never designed to be fast, but it was designed to keep going, even in harsh conditions. Maintenance was simple, repairs were inexpensive, and parts were easy to find, which helped the 2CV gain a reputation for reliability and durability. In conclusion, the 1960 Citroën 2CV is more than just an old economy car. It represents a philosophy of intelligent design, accessibility, and human-centered engineering. It proved that a car didn't need power or luxury to be successful. It just needed to meet people's real needs. Today, the 2CV is a beloved classic, cherished by collectors and enthusiasts around the world. Its timeless charm, innovative suspension, and honest simplicity ensure that the Citroën 2CV will always hold a special place in automotive history. Closing shot of the 2CV driving off into the sunset, fabric roof rolled back, as the engine hum fades out.